how to make all your videos private at once on your YouTube channel on PC. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do, go to YouTube. This is the home page. Click here on your profile picture, click on YouTube Studio, so you will go to the YouTube Studio directly. Now click here on content, and after you click on content, now here on this page, all what you have to do now is just select from here on those checkboxes, or you have another way. Click here to select all and click here on edit and go to visibility, and here you will find here private. Choose private and click update videos. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.